Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit a PDF in OneDrive. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the desktop on my computer. And here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're going to find your File Explorer. If you don't find it here in the taskbar, just go to the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you do that, as you can see guys, right here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find Home, Gallery. Here you're going to find OneDrive, Desktop, Documents, Downloads, and so on. Go ahead and click on OneDrive. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of your files in OneDrive. Right here, for example, as you can see, I have a PDF. You can double click on it, as you can see guys, if you want to open it. And then, as you can see guys, right here, you can choose an app to open this PDF file. For example, I'm going to choose Microsoft Word, and then I'm going to choose just once. And then we're going to click on OK. Then you're going to be able to edit your PDF. As you can see, guys, we had some troubles opening it with Word. So you can edit it using any app that you have for editing PDFs. As you can see, guys, right here, I have all of the options to customize this PDF. And once you finish, you can just save it and then you're good to go. If it's not saved automatically, you need to go to your settings. Go first of all to OneDrive, right click on it and then go to OneDrive. Then here you're going to find settings, click on it. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find sync and backup, account, notifications, and lastly about. Go to sync and backup and then click on manage backup. Then make sure you enable all of these options, documents, pictures, desktop, music, and videos. And then once you finish, click on save changes and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.